Hi friends. Today I am going to explain how we can teach our children to read English, how soon we can introduce them to read. I am not an expert here, but I just want to share my own experiences with my 3-year-old daughter Apurva. Learning to read English is a step by step process. First, we need to build phonemic awareness. That can be done by introducing the sounds of letters to your child. We have 44 sounds in English, but we will just start with the sounds of 26 letters and try to include other sounds in an
A,
advanced stage.
B.
B,
Yes, you're good day.
By knowing what sound an alphabet makes, it is easier for children to read and identify words. So, first we need to teach them the sounds of 26 alphabets.
I.
Start with capitals first and slowly transition them to small letters once they are comfortable with capital letters. Here are the sounds of alphabets: A, A, B, B, K, K, D, D, A, F, F, G, G, E, E, Ch, Ch, K, K, L, L, um, N, N, A, A, Qua, Qua, R, S, S, T, T, A, V, 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 X, X, Ya, Ya, Z, Z.
These first sounds.
Use any alphabet flashcards like this and repeat this process for 2 to 3 times per day until your children makes comfortable with the sounds. Just by spending 15 minutes per day will make your children learn reading faster than others.
Good morning, friends.
Let us learn the sounds.
Let's learn the sounds. Yes, friends. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, yeah. B, b, k, k, g, g, d, 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 d. E, e, e. G, 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 g. Yeah, e, 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 e. J, j, k, 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 k. E, 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 e. M, 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 m. Ñ, 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 ñ. O, 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 o. P, p, p. Q, q.
Qua,
Q.
qua,
Quack, 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 quack. Q, e, 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 e. D, 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 d.
A,
O, o. V, 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 v. V, v. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Z, z.
good job.
claps.
Thank you, friends. Thank you.
Thank you, fans. All my friends too. Please share and subscribe to my channel. I love you, subscribers.
The next session will be on how to blend sounds to form words. Thank you.
Please share and subscribe to my channel.